First, you need to pre-compose your layer. This helps you manage your synced video properly. Then right-click on the layer, go to Time, and enable Time Remapping. Now go back to the composition. Enable blend modes by clicking the button twice. Next, we're going to manage the keyframes. Split your video. Move your last frame to the middle of the clip. Then copy your first keyframe and paste it at the end of the video. It might sound a bit confusing, but trust me, it works. Now go to the graph editor to make the motion smoother. Drag the left handle all the way to the left and the right handle all the way to the right. Don't forget to hold Shift while adjusting the graph. Now you should get a result like this. Do the same steps for the other clips as well. I also have an optional effect for you. You can use my preset to add a shake effect to your intro or outro for a special look. To adjust the shake timing, select all keyframes and hold Alt on your keyboard. Now you will get this result. I did the same thing for the other clips. Next, let's add camera movement. Apply the Blur Mode Curves effect to your comp. Enable Wrap X and Wrap Y. Set the Z distance value to 1. Place the anchor point on your character's body or face. Add keyframes at the start and the end. Then zoom in at the middle of the comp. Press F9 to ease the keyframes and adjust the graph like this. I simply copied my first keyframe and pasted it at the end of the comp. Now we have a smooth zoom that you can copy and paste into any composition you want. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe.